This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to format as a table to take advantages of the tools and predefine a table size available in Excel. Once you have entered information into a spreadsheet, you may want to format it. Formatting your spreadsheet can not only improve the look and feel of your spreadsheet, but it also can make it easier to use. In a previous lesson, we discussed many manual formatting options such as bold and italics. Select the cells you want to format as a table. Click the Format as Table command in the Size group on the Home tab. A list of predefined table sizes will appear. They are in different sizes, for example light, medium, or dark. I select one of them. A dialog box will appear, confirming the range of cells you have selected for your table. The cells will appear selected in the spreadsheet, and the range will appear in the dialog box. If necessary, change the range by selecting a new range of cells directly on your spreadsheet. If your table has header, check the box next to My Table Has Header. Click OK. The data will be formatted as a table in the style you chose. Tables include filtering by default. You can filter data at any time using the drop-down arrows in the header. I don't like the header font color and I want to change it. If you don't like the default table format, you can easily change it by selecting any of the inbuilt table size on the Table Design tab. Also, you can define a new table size. Apart from table formatting, you can use the table style options to format table elements. For example, you can display or hide the filter rows in the header row. Apply a special formatting for the first and last column of the table. Display or hide the table headers. Add the totals row at the end of the table with a list of functions for each total row cell. Show alternate row or column shading respectively. You can export data from table to a shareable list. Also, slicers provide buttons that you can click to filter tables or pivot tables. In addition to quick filtering, slicers also indicate the current filtering state, which makes it easy to understand what exactly is currently displayed. A slicer will be created for every field that you selected. Clicking any of the slicer buttons will automatically apply that filter to the linked table. Apart from adding slicers, you can change it to new format. For example, you can change its height or width. There are different predefined sizes to use. Also, you can use align options. Using slicer option, you can change its settings such as its name, sorting and floating, and so on. It's easy to access to a slicer setting by selecting right click on the slicer. It is available to summarize the table with pivot table. Sometimes duplicate data is useful. Sometimes it just makes it hard to understand your data. When you use the remove duplicates feature, the duplicate data will be permanently deleted. Before you delete the duplicates, it's a good idea to copy the original data to another worksheet so you don't accidentally lose any information. You can use the resize command in Excel to add rows and columns to a table. Select the entire range of cells you want your table to include, starting with the upper leftmost cell. I want to add a column and you can see the result. It has filtering drop-down menu, same as the rest of the table. If you need to convert the table back to the normal data range, Excel also provides an easy way to deal with it. The Tools group, click Convert to Range. Table features are no longer available after you convert the table back to a range. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.